Velkommen til Slagelse Kommune. Velkommen til den danske del af Nordsøen.
Welcome to our Flemish coast.
Welcome to Zandvoort. Welcome to the Dutch North Sea coast. As they say, the sea give it and the sea take it away, especially in the Netherlands. For centuries there has been a delicate balance between working with and fighting against natural forces.
Our coastline extends over 10 coastal communities. Beside important seaside resorts, it also comprises 2 commercial harbors, 4 marinas and valuable nature reserves.
Man skal ind i et større samarbejde, fordi man kan sige, at vind og vand og storm, det kender ikke landegrænser, så derfor er det rigtig fornuftigt, at Nordsølandene er gået sammen om at finde ud af at udvikle nogle projekter, der kan være med til at tage kampen op mod naturkræfterne.
Ever since 2011, my coastal division has been working on the execution of the master plan Coastal Safety. The goal of this plan is to protect our coast against a 1,000-year storm.
However, safety is not the only aspect to be considered. The value of our coast is immeasurable. For our economy, for our ecology, our enjoyment.
To protect us from these severe storms, architectural studies on the integration of that attractiveness, durability and economic development with safety are currently being carried out. 2 of those are part of the international project of Suskot. In the Haan-Wenduinen, the sea dike will be widened with a stilling wave basin, and for the harbour of Zeebrugge, measures to prevent coastal flooding are designed as well.
Der har så kørt et Suskot-projekt igennem nogle år, hvor man udveksler erfaringer. Danmark har haft mange erfaringer i forhold til stormfloder, men også i forhold til at inddæmme land. Så jeg håber på, at det projekt her kan være med til at give inspiration og give viden videre, sådan at man kan benytte sig af hinandens gode idéer.
In executing our assignments, we are aspiring an optimal form of living together with the sea.
Being the lead partner for Suskot, I apply myself to promote our joint efforts for reaching our goals. For everybody to continue enjoying coasts, our coasts, for living, working and tourism purposes. Let's keep our coastal zones attractive for today, for tomorrow and for future generations.